Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Wayne and welcome to another episode of Making It Easy, a web series where we cover academic skills you might be having a hard time with and want to improve on. In this episode, I will be covering fractions. But don't worry, we're going to make it easy. So fractions are very important to understand because they are everywhere in life. So say you have something and then you break it into multiple pieces, you are creating fractions. For example, say you have a desk and then it falls apart. Bam! Fractions. You have a piece of bread and then you break it in half. Pow! Fractions. Say you got a chain link and then you flex on it. Fractions. Say you are spinning in the air and you land on your wrist. Bam! You are breakdancing, which is cool and doesn't have anything to do with fractions. It's just cool. Which, by the way, kids, don't try that at home. Now, since this is an introduction to fractions, we're going to be dealing with fractions that are the same size. Meaning, if you took something as a whole and then you broke it apart into multiple pieces, all those pieces are going to be the same size. For example, let's look at a Kit Kat bar. When we unwrap a Kit Kat bar, it comes out looking like this. As almost everyone knows, you can break this candy bar into 4 equal parts. Those parts are now fractions of the candy bar. Now this is where it might get a little confusing, so I'm going to need you to pay close attention. Let's count the parts we created. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have these 4 Kit Kat pieces or parts that make up the whole Kit Kat bar. We are going to write this situation out as a fraction now. When we write fractions, we write the amount of parts we're focusing on over the total amount that make up the whole. When we write fractions, we write the amount of parts we're focusing on over the total amount that make up the whole. So how many Kit Kat pieces do I have right now? 4, because I'm looking at these 4 parts. How many pieces make up the whole Kit Kat? 4, because when I put these 4 parts together, I get my whole Kit Kat bar. Now let's say I ate one of those pieces. Nom, 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 nom. What fraction of the candy bar did I just eat? Let's pause the video and think about it. I ate 1 piece. So the pieces I am focusing on is 1. How many pieces made a complete Kit Kat bar? 4. So I'm going to write 1 over 4, which is the fraction of what I ate, which we would read as 1/4. Now let's say I eat another piece. You know what? I'll have one more. Nom, nom. What fraction of the candy bar have I eaten now? So, how many pieces am I focusing on? I'm focusing on the 3 pieces that I ate. So the parts that we are focusing on is 3. And the number of pieces that make the whole bar is still 4. So our fraction is 3 over 4, or as we would say, 3/4. All right, it's time for our challenging question. I'm going to give you a problem and I'm going to give you 3 seconds to solve it. But remember, you can pause this video and take as long as you need, and you can also rewind this video to review the lesson if you need to. All right, are you ready? So make sure you read this carefully, okay? Let's do it. You have a whole pizza that has 8 slices. If you ate 3 slices, what fraction of the pizza is left? I'm going to count down now, okay? 3, 2, 1, and the answer is 5/8. Congrats on getting the answer correct. If you didn't, don't sweat it. Just make sure you watch our question and review video where I go over the problem in detail and you can learn from your mistakes. That's it for this video. I hope I made fractions a little easier for you. I'm Mr. Wayne, signing out. Be safe out there, friends.